130, gusting up to 150 miles an hour.
Hurricane warning.
It became a Texas problem.
Hurricane Harvey makes its landfall.
That was, oh my gosh.
Houston completely underwater. Devastating. Homes and lifelong possessions lost, including lives of innocent people. Many affected, including our fellow Africans. Volunteers and American Red Cross members from all over, working tirelessly day and night, helping them for shelter, food, clothes, water, and anything they can possibly do to slow down their tears.
Packed what we could, maybe 1 or 2 outfits, and then we were like, let's go.
Once you're inside, you can register your parties at the desk on the left and the right of the shelter.
We decided to go ahead and come here because it could accommodate, you know, for all of us.
When I first arrived here, checked in here, they had me to register, but after that they actually moved me to the next part of the room, and that was it.
We wanted to get out of our clothes. We were soaked. We were able to get 2 outfits each, and then from there we went from Hygienal, soap, shampoo, toothpaste, everything. They had everything.
We're not gonna waste a thing.
How you doing?
What's your name?
Spartan, man. Let me see your hand, bud. Let me see your hand. Do this. Let me get you a sticker too, buddy. You're a good guy. You're welcome.
Now, we call on you, brothers and sisters, to come as we pray together as one family. Devotions, sing songs of praise for the victims, and to financially show our support. Any amount we can raise as a family will really be appreciated by them. These volunteers do not care what color these people are and what country they are from. They are doing everything they can to help the victims. Let's do our part to show that we care and that we feel their pain as we pray together and financially support them. No cash donations, checks and money order only, made payable to Hurricane Harvey Relief Fund. Entertaining us will be Stars Professional Band of Austin and DJT Money. Please, my fellow Africans, I plead with you to come out in full and let's do what we do best as we show our support to these families. They really need us right now. We look forward to seeing you that day. Thank you.